to talk about the verb to be in the past. So present and past. Present or past?
Present.
Excellent. Very good. Everybody, present.
Present.
Present or past?
Past.
Very good. So here, everybody, pronouns.
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 Singular.
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 So I,
You.
you, he, she, it. One or plural? Singular. Look. Singular. One or two, three? One. Only one, guys. I. Is it one or two? One. Singular or plural? Exactly. So you. Singular or plural? Both. You is for singular and plural. For both. I can say you are a teacher. You are teachers. Everybody. You are a student. You are a student. One. You are students. Exactly. Plural. Okay, so it depends on the logic. So everybody, he, she, it. Singular or plural? One. Singular. Everybody, one. One person. Singular. Yes, very good. Pronouns. Plural. 2, 3, 10, 20. Plural. Very good. Everybody, we. You. They. Everybody, they. Very good. Everybody, they. Very good. Now, verb to be. Verb to be. Present. Am. Are. Is. That's it. Only 3. So, singular or plural? Depends on the logic. So, I am. One or two? One. But if I say you are a student. You are a student. One or two? One. Student. One. Everybody, student. One or two? One person. You are students. Singular or plural? Plural. So think about the logic, okay? So if I say you are a student, one or two? One. You are a student. Only one. Student. Not students. Students, plural. So think about the logic, okay? Now everybody, so present or past? Present. And past. Okay? So everybody, was. Were. Was. Were. Very good. Let's repeat one more time, everybody. Pronouns. Singular. Excellent. I. You. He. She. It. Fantastic. Pronouns. Plural. Very good. We. You. They. Yes, very good. Now, verb to be. Present. Am. Are. Is. Very good. Now, verb to be. Past. Very good. Was. Were. Where? No. Were. Everybody. Were. Excellent. So here, guys, present or past? Present or past? Excellent. Very good. So look, I am a teacher. Now, if I say the past, guys, I say I was a teacher. I am a teacher. I was a teacher. I am at school. I was at school. Very good. Present or past? Present or past? Very good. So think about the logic. If you talk about now, I am at school. Everybody?
I am at school.
Now, if I talk about yesterday, I was at school. Very good. He is a teacher. He is a doctor. So, present or past? In the past?
He was.
Very good, everybody. He was a doctor. He was a doctor. Excellent, very good. She's a teacher. She's a cleaner. She was a cleaner. She is a cleaner. She was a cleaner. It is cold today. It was cold yesterday. Very good. It was cold yesterday. Yesterday. Very good. We are at school. We are at school. Past. We were at school yesterday. At school yesterday. We were at school yesterday. You are. You are. You were. You were at school yesterday. Very good. Now, they. Right. They are. They are at work. They are at work. Present or past? Present. The past? Were. They were. Everybody, they were. They were. Okay, so now guys, Alex present, you past. Okay? I am. I was. Come on guys. I am. I am. He is. He is. She is. She is. It is. It is. Very good. We are. Were. Very good. Everybody. Were. Where? No. Were. Very good. We are. You or we? We. Everybody. We were. Very good. We were. We were. We are. No. Alex present. You?
We were.
Very good. So Alex present. You past. Okay. We are. We are. You are. You are. They are. They are. Excellent. Very